Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to describe and show you how to apply an e-visa to travel to Angola. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Angola eVisa website. The very first thing I would tell you is to go for some instructions. Okay, like what are the documents you need and what are the requirements, and also go for the overview, because these will give you some valid information or some required information that you need when you fail. And once you are ready, go for apply for visa. So you see that four options are there. When you're going to apply, click on apply. So let's say if you already have a plan, I'm just putting sample, you do it as per your own case. I'm very bad in captcha, I don't know why. Continue. I told you. Yeah, this time I made it. Disclaimer, read it and accept. So now we have gone for tourist visa. Okay. So what are the things you need? Passport with at least 6 months validity, photograph with white background, standards given, vaccination certificate, air ticket, visa fee in cash at the border. Wow. There are visa exemptions too. So if you're from these nationalities, you don't need actually. Wow. 98 countries. Fine. So once you are ready, click on continue. It is in the 7 steps. Okay. Let me see surname. Now all of these should match with your passport. Okay. This is a sample, guys. Check your nationality first. Don't go by this directly. Date of birth. Wow. Passport number. Student. Date. Valid. When are you entering there? Let's say date of departure. Let's say this. Your home address. Okay. Street. Your city. Postal code. Your phone number. Email. Don't do like this. Provide valid email address. This is just sample I'm doing. Address, like let's say you have already booked your accommodation. So you know, contact person, your hotel will provide that, or if you have done through a tour company, they will also provide that. Province, municipality, district, street, contact person, telephone, email. I assumed because I have used too many samples, so there will be. Let me see if this sample is accepted. House number. Hopefully now it gets to next. Yay! So it's asking you to upload a photo. Okay, I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you next screen. So after uploading photo, next was to upload a passport. That also I did. Next is asking to upload other images. Okay, anything that you want to, like your air ticket, hotel reservations. These will definitely help you, but I'm just skipping it because looks like I have missed something. Okay, yeah. So the document that I had like we had seen earlier, the air ticket and all that you need to upload. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you again. So guys, after you upload all the documents, it will take you to this screen where you have to check all this and submit. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but this is how it works, guys. So let me know what you feel about it, guys. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.